this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is you versus them for Aquarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, this reading is for you. You can also cross watch it for an Aquarius. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is general reading and a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out, friends. And join us. Please do subscribe, Magic Vans Tarot friends. Please do subscribe, like and share if you haven't already. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. So what we are going to do is, first we'll look how Aquarius you are feeling, how your person is feeling, and the rest ahead. And you can cross watch it for an Aquarius. You can also interchange the energies if you feel that's your energy. So let's see, Aquarius, what's happening with you. How are you currently feeling? For Aquarius, what are they feeling currently? Aqua babies. Wow, the world, the change, the 8 of coins. Aquarius, how are they feeling? You are feeling very confident. Wow, the Tower. I feel you have ended something. It is like this. You have ended something, Aquarius. Some recent relationship or something you have ended. You have completed a major karmic cycle, or you are stepping out, or ending a relationship, or you are just moving ahead. I feel most of you Aquarius are focused on your work right now, on building yourself, on building your career. You are focusing on your self-love. You don't want to deal with a relationship, or you are putting it behind you. All these troubles, this Tower movement, you definitely had a breakup or some argument or some issue in a relationship, but you are moving past it. How your partner is feeling, let's see that, Aquarius. How your partner is feeling, what's happening with currently with Aquarius partner. Okay, both wants to come, the Queen of Rods and the Two of Rods. Wow, you could be dealing, Aquarius, with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. How is Aquarius partner feeling? Or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel your partner is trying to I think your partner is also trying to connect with their passion. They are trying to find what makes them, what is their life purpose, their passion in life. They are also focused more on their looks, on their appearance. They are also trying to build their confidence. I feel, Aquarius, your partner is trying to become more mature, more wise, more sure of themselves. I think your partner lacks confidence, Aquarius, or they were lacking confidence in the past. So they are working on themselves, on their appearance. They feel very attracted towards you. Your partner, Aquarius, also wants to work things out with you. They want to work on this connection, or they are trying to find ways where they can cooperate with you. I feel like you are focused on your work, Aquarius. You are ready to, some of you have moved away from this person. Some of you, Aquarius, you have moved away from this person. You don't even want to hear their name, but this person is keeping an eye on you. They feel very attracted towards you, Aquarius. And this person wants to work things out with you. This person could be stalking your social media, asking friends about you. They also see your success, your beauty, and this person is like, wow, 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 wow. And I think this person is like, shit, I need to be mature, I'm sorry to say the bad words, but this person wants to be mature for you. They are trying very hard. Let's see what Aquarius wants to happen in this connection. Aquarius, what you want to happen in this connection, what Aquarius wants to happen in this connection. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, you want a new start, absolutely. Three of Cups, you want happiness in this connection, you want friendliness, maybe you were friends first. What Aquarius wants in this connection, King of Swords. I think you could be dealing with a third party also. See, King of Cups. Wow. Wow, Aquarius. I think you definitely do hope that this connection will become better someday or sometime. You definitely want, you see the potential in this connection and with this person, but you are also focused on your money, on your coin, and you also want, maybe this person and you were friends at some point of time and you miss the happy times you have shared with them. You definitely want them to come back, or you want this person and you to be friends again, or go back to the happy, or like recreate some happy moments together. You are sure about it. I think you may have messaged or told this person that you would be fine for a not for relationship but for friendship, or let's end it on a good note or something, or let's start again. I think there is someone trying to interfere in this connection, Aquarius, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel like this person is trying to interfere, or this person that you are dealing with, you want them to share their emotions. I feel like this person is very logical at times. They are very in their ego, in their three-dimensional energy. So you want this person to express their love to you. You want this person to be kind, to be like they used to be with you as friends. You definitely want a new start, but I think like common friends or some third party is affecting this connection, and you definitely don't want that, Aquarius. You don't want other people to affect your connection. You want love from, you see potential with them, but you definitely don't want the third party. What does this person want to happen in this connection? Wow, the Four of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Cups. See, they also want to share their love. And the Four of Swords. I think this person is having a very, very, very tough time in expressing their true emotions towards you, Aquarius. This person is dying to tell you how much they like you, how much they love you. But look at this. This person is like the what do you call those people, armor. This person is completely trying to hide their emotions. I feel this person keeps stalking your social media. What they want to happen, they definitely want to stop you from walking away, or they want to stop themselves from walking away. If both of you have walked away from this connection, they definitely want to change it. And if they have walked away from this connection, they want to tell you, Aquarius, that they are just taking some time apart. This is not the bye, this is not the end. This is just they are taking some time away for themselves. This is they are taking some time to process their emotions and understand this connection and their emotions. I feel this person is very fragile. They have problem in opening or expressing themselves emotionally, in being vulnerable. This person may be in army, or they are a doctor, or they are very logical, so they are used to controlling their emotions. So this person is having a hard time. They want to let's get more clarity. I think they want to stop you from moving away from this connection. They are also stalking and keeping an eye on you. They also want to keep your options open. What does this person want to happen with Aquarius? What does this person want to happen with Aquarius? Three of Swords, Page of Swords. See, you are definitely on their mind, Aquarius. This person is thinking about you. They can't forget you. They know they have hurted you. They know they have caused you pain, but they don't know how to fix it. They don't know how to fix it. But they want you to keep your options open, like keep some hope alive in this connection. Let us see what will actually happen between you and this person. What will actually happen? This is what you feel, this is what they want, but what will actually happen in the future for Aquarius and this person? What will happen? The Three of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, and what will actually happen in this connection for Aquarius? The Star and the Chariot. I definitely see that you both will meet somewhere in the middle ahead. There will be a chance of, there will be a chance of your wishes coming true, Aquarius. There will be a chance of you both supporting each other and coming out of this, this game. I don't know what they are doing, this person. There is a chance they will come out of this emotional running away. They will come out of it, and there is a chance you both will meet and support each other. This relationship will progress for 50 or 90% of you. It's 50-50, I would say. For others, you may choose to move ahead for the time being and not focus on this person. For 50% of you, there is a strong chance this person and you will get together and make things right, and this will be like a wish come true for both of you, and things will heal, and this relationship will then progress and move ahead into the most beautiful future for you. I think you could be dealing with a twin flame or someone who is very strong connection with you. So they are having a trouble. What else will happen in this connection for Aquarius? See, the Magician, this person is trying to manifest you. You both can manifest this relationship back on its track. If you want them, they will be yours. If you want this sorry friends, this person to open up or speak to you, yes, it will happen. Things are under the hands of destiny, friends. See, I can't talk right now. I think this person doesn't like to talk. Your person, Aquarius. So advice for Aquarius for this connection, let's see that. Heal. Yes, see, number 17. I think this connection, this person needs to heal something. They are going through some emotional issues. They are waiting, they are feeling defenseless, they are feeling like this person needs to heal something. This person needs to heal something so they can come back towards you, or this connection needs to heal so that things can get better. You both may take some time apart to focus on healing. Advice for Aquarius. See, giving and receiving, you both need to give equally and share equally. That's what is the key in this connection. This person is not giving to you right now, but there will come a time when they will open emotionally for you or towards you. Number 6, a very spiritual connection. Okay, 2 cards dropped out. So spread your wings and observe. Wow. Number 12. I think this person is definitely observing you. They are keeping an eye. You both are keeping an eye on each other, stalking your social media. I think there is a chance 50% of you will choose to walk away or just take some time away from this connection. I think that is the key for you and this person to come back and become more strong together in a relationship. And for some of you, I think there is a very strong chance of this and union coming back if you both decide to heal, and if your person takes some action. I think you both are mirrors. You are mirrors of each other's energy. Angels, clarify the observe. See what is happening. Don't take action. This is not the perfect time to act, Aquarius. See, clarity is coming. Ace of Swords. Yeah, the messages will come. This person or the clarity you need for this relationship, it will come, Aquarius. Just give it some time. It may not happen right away or very quickly, but it will happen in the future for you. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, this is Mystic C saying bye.